and you got power. There you go. What's up, guys? So we are at the lighting phase. We're gonna do recessed lighting, slim recessed lighting, with, they're called, you guys, box. And senior slim recessed lighting, 1050 Lumina. Went with the 6000K, you could have 5004. I went with the 6 because they are dimmable. And then, so at Menards, we're just gonna go with the Menards. They come in like a 6-pack, but they're like $109. And these are 12 of them for 136. So as well, let's get these. And these are, I did some research on them, and these are kind of the better out of the slim recessed lighting, the LED ones. So how they work is each one comes with like a junction box for power and then your light. Sorry, I had little camera problems, but so how these works is each one comes with a junction box and a light. They plug into one another, and then you just twist them on. And then your power is in your junction box here. So each one of these is gets plugged in. Your power comes in, and then if you want to run multiple, then you just open this little hole here, and then you run power to one light, the next light to the next light. And then the most that I'm going to do, I think, is 4. And what's nice about these is you don't have to worry about your trusses being in the way. So if you cut a hole and there's a truss there running, these are so thin, it's less than a ½ inch, which your normal drywall is. You can, sorry, and so you're smiling and shaking your head. Yeah. So you can put these up, and they literally latch on the drywall with these clips and hold it to the ceiling. And then spacing, I'm not sure. That's something I'll have to play with as we go. Once we get the first one in, then I kind of know how bright they are. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys how these work. So we're gonna start with the one above the sink, and then we're gonna move to the dining room, and then the entryway. So that's the plan. So if you guys could, like, share, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Another thing that I didn't get about this was, so the 6-inch slice, they gave me a cutout, but it needs to be 6.1 inches. So I bought a 6-inch hole saw. I don't see why they can't just make a light that's for 6-inch hole saw. So now what I'm going to do is, I just bought a 6-inch, so I'm just going to use a 6-inch, and then just probably take the oscillating tool and cut just a little bit more around that I need to. But I think that's a pretty dumb design, but that's it. So I'm going to measure out where I want it, and then I'm going to just put a little hole and put like a piece of wire through it, because I got blown in insulation. So then I'm going to go up there, pull it all away, because I don't want to put the hole saw in, have it go all the way. So I got all the insulation pulled away, and I'm just using the 6-inch hole saw. So the key is you put it in reverse, and that way your teeth don't bite and it won't like jerk you. So that way it kind of creates a groove in the drywall, and then once you get kind of started, then you can turn it to going the right way, and then you'll be able to go up in. So just want to tell you that. So I ran all the wiring. The reason I got gloves on, I actually saw another guy do this. When you take the cover off, you don't get, if you have dirty hands on the ceiling as well. So I got everything wired in the box itself, and I just stuck it up in there, and then all you do is just twist this on, find the channel, the groove, and you just tighten it, and then you just slide it right up in there. I think. That's the plan anyway. Hopefully. Pull these up. Bring that up like that. That. And there's your light. And take the little plastic off. Make sure you get it all. And you got power. That's how you install these recessed lightings. They're really pretty simple. And like I said, if you want to run multiple, then you just go box to box to box with just regular 14-2 wire. And then what I'm going to be working on next is just 4 lights over there and 2 or 3 over there. This is dimmable, so I haven't put a dimmable switch on yet, but that's the brightest setting. That's pretty bright. So if you guys could like, share, subscribe, and all the lighting and stuff will be in the links below. So check it out.